The following provides a brief overview of the mobile tire recycling unit designed for Exo-Cubic solutions. This design will be used in oil fields and mining quarries to recycle large waste tires up to 5 tons in weight. These tires will then be transported to manufacturing facilities that can reuse the rubber and steel that remains of the tire. This uses Exo-Cubic's current tire scrubbing technology as shown in the following video.
And it all starts with this demo rig.
So in summary, it's a one-step process that uses fluid pressure to pulverize the tyre. You see a complete tyre going into the process. Coming out of the process, you see a steel carcass.
To power the nozzle shown in the video is this large pump skid provided by Hammelman. You can see here in yellow a centrifugal pump is the HDP 200 series, which is powered by a 6.7 liter Cummins engine. There are 2 battery banks on the front to provide electricity for the glow plugs, and along with that we have a diesel tank on the back of the skid. Now, our design implementation includes a tire mount, rubber storage, water storage, and a crane mechanism to maneuver the tires and equipment. You can see here the tire mount along with the 4 enclosure arms on the right, and on the left we have a shipping container which will be used to transport the rubber and water. On top of the water storage tank we have 3 rubber storage containers manufactured from high density polyethylene, and on the bottom we have a stainless steel water tank that includes a ramp to allow skid steer to maneuver in and out of the container, removing the rubber contents. We hope that you enjoyed this brief overview of our project, and we look forward to seeing you at the Expo. Thank you.